What is malware? Now in the industry, malware is the most interesting topic. Malware is grasping all the terms for any types of malicious and harmful software designed to harm any programming device or service and network. Cybercriminals use for to gain users' banking data that they can make financial loss for user. Victims can save from malware using good antivirus. Malware is the collaboration name for many numbers of malicious, any types of software virus and spyware. Malware use consistent of code created by hackers for malicious software designed to cause extensive damage to data and system or to gain unauthorized access to a network. Malware is spread in the form of link or file over email and requirement that user click on the link or open the file to execute malware. Malware has been a threat to any kind of network, individuals and the organization back in the early 1970s when the first time creeper virus appeared. Since then, the all network in the world has been under malware attack from the thousands of different malware variants, all with the intent they make most of the disruption and damage as possible. Malware, which is defined in short-term malicious software, is the blanket term for any types of viruses and worms, and also Trojan and other harmful computer programs using by hacker to weak destruction and make and gain access to sensitive information. The main question is that the difference between virus, misses and malware, the point bit. A virus is the type of malware, so all the viruses and malware, but not every piece of malware is virus.